That's how I would sharpen that. Diamond tool, same way. Have the point up on the platform. That would be it. I'm going to take this out. I have a tendency to do it freehand. Life's short and I'm always in a hurry. I just go like this. I can kind of feel that bevel back there. That's how I would sharpen that. Beading tool, freehand. Same way. This 180 is really puts a fine edge. It's a lot finer than a 80 grit. I don't think you need anything finer than a 180. I don't know if you can see the edge or see the grain lines on that. But between the two wheels, they do a great job.